second one is called the Wood Butcher's Walkabout. Steve Gilchrist, the guy that built this mandolin, and the other one calls himself the Wood Butcher. The fellow that he used to buy wood from in Missouri had a big room about the size of this room, matter of fact, that he had big billets of tone wood hanging in, and he had them hanging up, looked like slabs of meat hanging in there with a hook in them, and they were just one right after another all the way through, and it had fans all the way through the building, and they were hanging up in there swinging, and once in a while, you know, close together, they bang against each other, and you just hear this the whole time you're walking through there. And so Steve Gilchrist started calling himself the Wood Butcher. So the second one's Wood Butcher's Walkabout. I'll see if I can play Reelfoot and then play Wood Butcher for you. So bear with me.